Astra versus Generatepress, which team is best? Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into head-to-head showdown between two of the most popular WordPress teams, which is Astra and Generatepress. And we will compare Astra and Generatepress in terms of their user interface, performance and speed, pricing and value, customization and flexibility, and which is best for your needs. So make sure to watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make a decision to which tool should you use. And to create an account on Astra and Generatepress, also use my affiliate link in the description below where I earn small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. And if you don't know what is Astra, it is a versatile and feature-rich WordPress theme known for the extensive collection of professionally designed starter sites. On the other hand, Generatepress prides itself on its lightweight and fast-loading design, making it a top choice for users who prioritizes speed and performance. And Generatepress also boasts compatibility with a wide range of third-party plugins and extensions. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details about Astra and Generatepress. So let's start by knowing the user interface comparison of both platforms. And as you can see in this table, in terms of ease of use, Astra offers intuitive interface with user-friendly controls, while Generatepress offers simple and straightforward UI. And in terms of customization, Astra offers extensive customization options via Theme Customizer and Astra Starter Sites, while Generatepress offers flexible customization settings accessible through WordPress Customizer. And in terms of pre-built templates, Astra offers a wide range of professionally designed starter sites available, while Generatepress offers a limited selection of starter sites but highly customizable. And in terms of typography, Astra offers customizable typography settings, while Generatepress offers or provides control over typography settings. They also offer layout options, wherein Astra offers multiple layout options for headers and footers, while Generatepress offers various layout options including different header. Now moving on to performance and speed comparison. As you can see on this table, in terms of page load time, Astra is generally fast page load times due to lightweight code and optimization, while Generatepress known for its speedy performance with minimal code load. And in terms of page size, Astra has typically results in smaller page sizes due to optimized code and minimal styling, while Generatepress emphasizes lightweight code and minimal CSS for faster loading. And in terms of caching compatibility, Astra is compatible with popular caching plugins for further optimization, while Generatepress works seamlessly with caching plugins to enhance speed. And in terms of performance optimization, Astra offers built-in performance features and compatibility with optimization plugins, while Generatepress prioritizes performance optimization through efficient coding practices. Now moving on to pricing and value comparison. As you can see on this table, in terms of free version, Astra offers a feature-rich free version with basic customization options, while Generatepress provides a free version with essential features and limited customization options. While for their premium pricing, Astra offers various premium plans starting from $47 per year for a single site license, with higher tier plans for more sites and additional features, while Generatepress offers a premium plan at $59 per year for unlimited sites with lifetime access available for one-time payment. And in terms of features, Astra offers premium plans include access to all Astra Pro features such as advanced customization, premium starter sites, WooCommerce features, and many more, while Generatepress offers premium plan unlocks all premium features including site library access, typography and color controls, WooCommerce integration, and many more. And aside from that, in terms of value, Astra offers excellent value for money with a comprehensive feature set and regular updates, while Generatepress provides great value with one-time payment option for lifetime access and ongoing updates. Now in terms of money-back guarantee, Astra offers a 14-day money-back guarantee on premium plans, allowing users to try the features risk-free, while Generatepress provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring customer satisfaction and confidence in the product. Now moving on to customization and flexibility. As you can see on this table, in terms of theme options panel, Astra includes a comprehensive theme options panel with various customization settings and controls, while Generatepress offers a streamlined theme options panel with intuitive controls for customization. And in terms of WordPress Customizer, Astra integrates deeply with the WordPress Customizer, providing a real-time previews of changes made to the theme, while Generatepress utilizes the WordPress Customizer for live previews and easy customization of theme settings. And aside from that, in terms of header options, Astra provides multiple header layout options including full width, box, and centered layouts with customizable logos and menus, while Generatepress offers flexibility in header design with options for different layouts, logo placement, and menu styles. Now in terms of layout options, Astra provides flexible layout options for individual pages and posts, allowing users to customize the layout as needed, while Generatepress offers various layout options for different sections of the website, including content, sidebar, and archive pages. And now moving on to e-commerce and integration. As you can see on this table, in terms of WooCommerce compatibility, Astra is fully compatible with WooCommerce, offering dedicated WooCommerce modules, customization options, and integration with popular e-commerce plugins. On the other hand, Generatepress integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce, providing support for e-commerce functionality, product pages, checkout process, and payment gateways. And in terms of e-commerce starter sites, Astra offer e-commerce-focused starter sites designed specifically for online stores, with customizable layout and styling options. On the other hand, Generatepress provides starter sites suitable for e-commerce websites, allowing users to launch their online stores quickly with pre-designed templates. And aside from that, in terms of payment gateway support, Astra support integration with multiple payment gateways for processing online transactions securely, offering flexibility for users to choose preferred payment methods, while Generatepress offers compatibility with various payment gateways, enabling users to accept payments conveniently through their e-commerce websites. Now, in terms of performance optimization, Astra optimizes for performance and speed, ensuring smooth operation of e-commerce websites even under heavy traffic loads, while Generatepress prioritizes performance optimization, allowing e-commerce websites to load quickly and provide seamless shopping experience. Now moving on to support and documentation. As you can see on this table, in terms of documentation, Astra offers extensive documentation covering various aspects of team setup, customization, troubleshooting, and frequently asked questions, while Generatepress provides comprehensive documentation with detailed guides, tutorials, and troubleshooting resources. And for community forums, Astra features an active community forum where users can seek help, share experiences, and collaborate with other Astra users, while Generatepress offers a community forum where users can ask questions, share tips, and engage with other Generatepress users. And aside from that, in terms of ticket-based support, Astra provides ticket-based support for premium users, allowing them to submit inquiries and receive assistance from the support team, while Generatepress offers responsive ticket-based support for premium users, ensuring timely assistance with any issues or questions. And in terms of email support, Astra offers email support for premium users, providing direct assistance with any technical issues or queries they may encounter, while Generatepress provides email support for premium users, allowing them to reach out to support team for personalized assistance with their inquiries. Now the question is, who should choose Astra? Well, those users who prefer a wide selection of professionally designed starter sites and those who prioritize extensive customization options through the WordPress customizer, and those individuals who require seamless integration with popular page builders like Elementor or Beaver Builder, and users who want to build WooCommerce-powered online stores with dedicated e-commerce features, and also those who value active community support and a robust documentation resource. But what about Generatepress? Well, users who prefer a lightweight and fast-loading theme with minimal code load, and individuals who prioritize flexibility and control over their website's layout and design, and those who require compatibility with various third-party plugins and extensions, in which users who appreciate the option for lifetime access with one-time payment for premium features, and the developers and agencies who need a reliable and developer-friendly theme for client projects. And now, in conclusion, both Astra and Generatepress offer powerful features, customization options, and performance optimization for creating stunning WordPress websites. Astra excels with its extensive collection of starter sites, seamless integration with Page Builder, and dedicated e-commerce capabilities, while Generatepress stands out for its lightweight design, flexibility and customization, compatibility with third-party plugins, and developer-friendly features. But ultimately, the choice between Astra and Generatepress depends on individual preferences, specific project requirements, and desired support resources. So that is just the comparison review between Astra and Generatepress. Thank you.